Hi, Marinda, how are you?
I'm good.
You get started, okay?
I got kind of stuck on this one. I'm not sure how to do the double part like this.
So this one you have 8818, okay? So when you count this one, it should be 1, right? And then you move
Yeah.
on to this one, and then to this one. When you count this one, you will see an 88 and an 8. So this one, you will count it as 2. And then you count this one, it will be 1. So totally sum up will be 4. So basically this one, you actually, let me see. If you n equals 0, return 0, that's okay. If you actually, no, this one is wrong. So you want to count the 2-digit first. That's it.
Oh, okay.
You are missing this line,
Yeah.
okay?
Okay.
Almost. You are doing okay. Next one, let me have Liana, your turn. But later you continue, okay? Take your time, no rush. Okay?
Okay.
Liana, what's your problem right now?
Um,
You move to, and then write a function. You have to call it. No, it doesn't show anything. Right now, your problem right now, okay. This one is define a function. This one only is only define a function. So when you define a function, it doesn't call. You cannot use this one to call it. You have to find a function. Find a function, go to the function. You have to use this function call, this one, to call this function. delete the function definition. This one not needed. Yeah. So you need to call this function. So basically put a draw square and then the numbers and border width. So put some size. No. You have to put number in there. The real number you want to draw. This one is a function. So you want to draw a square, you need to keep then what is the size? What is the border width? You have to keep then the border width and size. So put 10 then, whatever, take, and then draw. Okay? So this is
Okay.
20 means that you actually draw a size of 24 width of 10. So change the bigger one, say 100. Whatever, it's okay. Go. See the difference. This is a function called, this is a function definition. These are two different things. This whole thing is called function definition. Definition means that I define it, but you do not call it, you do not actually let it wrong yet. Okay? And this one really is to wrong it, the function call. And this is a move to actually of no use. You actually have a move to, this move to is the final one that you move to a certain location. The two move to you have before it, totally of no use. These two move to of no use. Okay? You decide, okay? You see what number you want to have. They want you to draw two different squares. Right now, you just draw one. You just draw one. You have to draw another one. You need to put another move to and then draw again. Bigger number. You try bigger number. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Make sure you understand what is the function definition and what is the function call. Okay, that's actually different things. Okay, I think it's okay. They don't care. Okay, thank you. You continue, okay? Next one, let me have
Okay.
Belinda, your turn. Change your X with Y, okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm still thinking.
You have to draw some diagrams. So write this one. Let's assume that you have CODE what?
X?
S. Okay. So you call this one. Let's assume that this one is called change. So you change this one. Okay, the first one is actually you kind of, let's assume that you work on this later. So it's not C, it's not actually X or Y, so you keep it and you continue to call ODEX, right?
Yeah.
And then this one would be O colon DEX, something like that. Okay, so this one, okay. Let's try another one. Let's assume that you do have a XAB. You're calling this one. It should be Y plus colon of the AP plus A colon B. And this one return, this one actually is B return empty string, right?
Yeah.
So do this exercise before you actually write your code. Should be okay.
Don't you write an exception for an empty strings?
No, you just say string length equal 0, you return empty string.
Yeah. Okay.
There's no exception.
Sorry.
No, you have to check the first letter.
Oh, right, sorry. No.
No, no, this case is not. If it's not X, what you will do?
Oh. If it's no. Oh, okay. I do. It's me.
You have A, B, C, you need to keep A Then
that?
we can say call BC. That's okay, go. Okay,
Okay.
okay, continue, okay? This one, let me have the end, your turn. This one is wrong. You are, let's assume you are here. Right, you are here, you go in this way, you draw this much. How much you need to turn? What is this angle that you want to turn? This is theta. What is this is theta? Aliena, what is this theta? From here to here.
60.
Huh? No, that's not 60. This one is 60, but the outside is not 60. The outside is 300. So you draw triangle, don't use a 200, use a smaller number, use a 50 first.
Well, it
Because-
just gave me 200 to
Yeah, you
start.
change it later. It's too big right now. You use a smaller one. When you want to verify with your uncle, you want to see the triangle first. Try a smaller number, otherwise actually it will be too big. You need to pen up, somehow pen up, and then draw your pen down, and then here you need to pen up. Before you move to, you need to pen up. Otherwise, you keep drawing. When you move, you will pen up. Before the move to, you have to pen up. Otherwise, when you move to, your move will draw as well. That should be size. That should be size. Since you actually doing size, that should be size. Move forward should be size. You should put size in there. Put this size in there. You pass the number size over there. You have to use the size. Size. Otherwise, you are not programming it. This is size. You have to use the size. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
This one is size. You pass the parameter size in there. You have to call size. You actually use the size. You just put size there. SIGE there. What are you trying to do right now? Here you just put size. Why you don't want to do size? This is a size. Then your number, you pass a 50 to there, you draw a 50 triangle over 50 size. So right now you only draw one side, you actually draw one side of, say, size. You need to turn 300 degree. You need to draw another one, and then turn, and then draw another one. Yeah. Mm, 360 degree. Where you are right now. Change to 120, see what happened. These two change to 120. Okay. So you actually change the size. You see, when you change this size, it will be bigger or smaller. Okay. Whatever you want to change, look at it. You want to make it thicker, but you need to change the pen width here. You do not change the pen width. You need to put a pen width. Using width. Oh, sorry. 50 too much, 50 too much, 50 is huge. Is it 50 too huge? So remember, these are, we call it parameter. It would change the size and width right here. It will change. The number you pass in will come to here, okay? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you continue, okay? You are doing okay. Do your own experiments. Next one, let me have the Linda. Linda, your turn.
Wait, Mr. Cho, I don't get what this part means.
You say that
That's correct.
recursively contains 6. We use convention consider part of the array begin at the beginning index. In this recursion, we can pass index +1 to move down the array.
So is 0 going to be counted for every call?
No, the question is this original or you multiply it already?
Is that original or by what?
Is it original or you multiply already? Is it original, right?
Yeah.
So if the length equals 0, this is wrong. The length won't be 0 because your nums always is 3 is 3, 4, 2 is 2, 1 is 1. So this the length won't change. It's an array. So
So this
the array
is
it won't be changed. So what you would change, index will be changing. Index will be changing. So let's see. You want to do this. You start with index equal 0. You check this one, it be 6. If not, you will go to this to check if this one is 6. If not, you will go to the next one to check if it is 6. So you keep doing that until what? What happened?
Do you reach the end?
How you reach the end? How do you know that you reach the end?
The index equals nums dot length minus 1.
Yeah. So that's what you need to put it over here. Not equal. Greater equal to. So this is not minus 1. The last one you still need to check.
Wait, wait.
So no minus 1. Okay, so if you are this, you actually get out of bound. So you are here. In that case, you return false. Now you actually need to go through it, check the number, if the index locations, the number is 6 or not.
Oh, okay. So
If it is 6, then if not, so why here 0? Why here 0?
to check the first.
It doesn't check the first.
Oh, sorry.
It doesn't check the first. It check your index location. It should be checking your index location.
And then here will be index plus 1.
What's
Wait.
this? What's this?
Sorry, that's
No, yeah. But this is a function call.
then-
It need to be parentheses. Go. Return. You forget return. Let's see. Array 6 nums no brackets. It's an array. There's no bracket. Okay.
okay.
You have to think about it. Right now, you're still not sure what's going on. Next one, let me have Liana, your turn. Lorinda, you have to think about it, okay? Don't go to the next problem yet. Really understand why it's going on, what's going on. Okay, so this one you have a lot of fun to do, okay? Take your time. Okay, so what will happen is that it will give you the draw sequence, draw star, draw everything. Okay, so far you would draw 3 object, and then what do they want you to do?
They want me to draw like a second one of each.
Yeah, one of these. So what should you do?
I move to and then
Call the function.
I call the function.
Yes. So do move to and call function. Don't change the function. Put outside, yeah. The function, you do not change the function itself. Okay, see what happened. Okay, wait. So go back. So what's wrong with this one?
It's not straight.
It's not straight, so what's going on wrong? No, don't move, don't touch your keyboard yet. I'm asking you, right now you do have this one is joined this way, this one joined this way. So how can you make it this way? I'm asking you, how can you make it straight?
Turn it.
Yeah, so here, turn to angle. Give some number. You may be wrong, but change it later. So 90. Okay, so 90 is this degree, this angle, right? So actually turn to 0, see if 0 is there. 0. You see, so 0 is this angle, 90 is this angle, 180 is this angle, okay? Okay, good job. You have the second sequence now. Now try to draw your fish and start. Okay. Good job. Yeah, that's good. It's okay, you do different experiment, okay? So you figure out what's going on. But at this moment, don't touch your function definition because you may change the design of the feature C star. So don't do that yet. Later they would change it. One more C star. Okay, thank you. Continue, okay? This one, we
Okay.
have Belinda, your turn. Okay, this one you have X, A, B, C, X, D. You become A, B, C, D, X, X. Move over the X to the end.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. You get a better understanding for recursion now. Okay, good job.
Mhm.
I think you can feel it. You actually get a better understanding now. Next one, let me have the end, your turn. Just be patient. Brianna, what do they want this time?
They want me to be able to change the size of the starfish.
Then your starfish need to have a perimeter size. So put a perimeter size and see which one will change the size. Multiply whatever it will change the size. Yeah, put it there. If you cannot, you do text more. Do text more, put some SIGE there, yes. And then turn back. It should be fine. Now, which one is your starfish? You need to change it for the size. So I think this is a move forward. Usually, these different move forward are the size. All of the move forward need to be changed to with the size. Because move forward is the one you draw this, draw this, draw this, draw this, draw this. Okay, after you finish, you need to call it with the size. Where is your call? So C starfish, so this one, you have to put some number there. No. Put some number there. Put whatever, 50, 100, whatever. Draw it. Is that right? You have another one. You have another one. Another swordfish. Go to the other swordfish. You have another one. Go up, go up. You have two core. You draw two starfish, but one with the size, one without. Go up. So this one you do have a starfish, but this one don't have a size yet. Put whatever 100, says something or 80, whatever. Go. Is that okay? Change the number that you prefer anyway. I'm just doing some experiment. Okay? This is the size, you are tuning the size now. So this kind of problem, you actually draw a star first. Then you change the size later, the size here actually later, okay? Is that okay? When you
Yeah.
develop the program. It's big or small, it doesn't matter. In the beginning, you don't care about the size. Just like what I told you in the HTML course, I told you that whether the color and the size and even location, not that much, not that important. We care about the shape, the outlook of the star much more important. And then later, the size, color, location, you can all change it, okay? Okay,
Yeah.
you continue. Next one, Belinda, your turn. Okay, one more problem. Should not overlap. Okay, be careful. Should not overlap. This one is 2, but you return 1. Why is that?
Wait, so
I
this
think this one is 1. This one is 1, not 2. How comes this is 2?
oh wait, this one's 2 because you
This
don't
one,
want to
the one
overlap.
the one I circle. The one
No.
I circle, what is 2? You just cut, if, for example, you have a 5, you should cut a 5 out. Why are you cutting 2?
Alright, so then you check the second letter.
Yeah,
of the
yeah,
word.
that's what happened. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, be careful. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you continue. This one, the end, and your turn. Recursion is very powerful, but you need to be very, very careful as well, okay? Minor, a little bit of the change will hurt you. You know, which one is size related? Which one is size? That's angle. Which one is size? Yeah. Angle you don't change because angle you actually build up a shape. You don't change the angle. Angle doesn't matter for the size. You big fish, small fish is the same. Okay. Move to no change. You just change the size of the fish or sequence, which one it is. Which one you give them the size. You have another one missing. Remember you have draw two sequence, there's another one, there's another draw on top, draw sequence. Yeah, here. Give them the number. You don't give them the number, the result is 0. Okay. I have give you a suggestion. You would like to put these together with the one on top, so you don't need to go to two places every time you change it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You want to put them together. You don't want to have two of it. So you can do this. Let me suggest you. You could change to the text mode. Okay. So you know this part is draw starfish, right? So you copy this one to next to it. Copy and paste. Copy, not delete. Copy, not cut. Paste one more time. Don't move down, don't move down, just right after it, right after it. Right before it or right after it. Paste, Control V. Control V plus V, you will actually paste. So now you change the number for the move to and the size. Wait, don't move. Just change that one first. Change that one first. So yeah, different move to and different draw starfish. Different size. Okay, and then go down to delete the draw starfish at the bottom. Delete that draw starfish you have. Yeah, right here. These two line move to also being deleted. Yeah. Okay. So now you handle the other one, the draw sequence, another draw sequence. So copy the whole thing, yes, and paste, and then change the number. The second one don't need to change. No need to change. You just change one, as you know. C squares, this one try maybe 60, a little bit different. Yeah. Then delete the one on the bottom for sequence. Be careful, be careful. Yeah, up to here. Now, drawfish. Work on the drawfish part. Always add before delete, okay? Always add before delete. Don't delete before you add. whatever. Okay, go down to change, delete it. So your draw fish has not been changed to size yet, okay? It's okay, draw first, run first, run once. To make sure everything work now. Okay? This one move to, you may want to touch the ground. This one move to, may want to touch the ground. So your draw sequence 450, that's actually 450, yeah. Okay. Other than that, it's actually size difference, okay? It's actually, you can change the size to program it. You can tune it if you like. So when you need to copy the whole region, Cobra, whole area of code, text mode is easier. You know what I'm saying? Text mode is
Yeah.
easier when you want to copy. Not bad. Okay. You continue, okay?
Okay.
Next one, let me have Belinda, your turn.
Mr. Cho, do I need to make a separate case for when the length is only 2?
Previously, recursively share number lowercase or high appear in the string. Do not counter x that have x immediately before them. So this one, you actually count the number of high. If you see right now it's x and then you do see 1, 3. This one you do need to check the length, yeah. For this case, you need to check the length. The length need to be greater or equal to 3 before you can do this whole thing checking. Right? Otherwise, this one will be out of bounds. So this one you need to check the length. And otherwise, you check if it is high, right? Otherwise, you just check if it is high. You don't need to check XAI case. XHI case, you already handle it. So don't worry about it. You assuming that there's no such things now.
Oh,
After this line, you have no these things. No, you still need to check the XI. You still have the HI and no XI case. Right?
Well, can you say that again?
We still have starting with the HI case and no XI case. You still need to have another if.
Oh, okay. I get it.
Not done yet, not done yet. Don't go, not.
Um, Okay.
This one is 1, but you have 2. So this one you will have the XAI, that's the problem. Okay, right here, go back. I do not see this part. Can you see this part? Your next number should be wrong. This is not 1, this one should be 3. You cut the XAI out.
All right, cause that okay.
You just cut the X is wrong.
Yeah, now over.
You need to cut the XAI. And this one actually should be 2 actually. 1 is okay, but it's 2 because you have the HR, you cut the H out, then it's actually. Usually 2 will be faster. Go. Okay, be careful. That's minus, but you still need to be careful.
Okay.
Next one, let me have Rihanna, your turn. Yeah, try and see. Go to your fish. Your fish design must be wrong. Because your fish head is not tuned with your fish tail. Go to your fish. Your fish tail head actually move over, is not change to size. Your fish body and fish head need to be assigned the same. Okay, good. Try. Go back. Your dot need to be changed. Your fish head go up. Dot 30 need to be dot size. Yes. Your head is not changing. Move forward, maybe okay. You run and see. Run and see. Yeah. So use a smaller size of the fish. Okay, so here, okay. Okay, Liana, any questions so far?
No.
Okay, so far, don't worry, okay? For you, you actually keep working on these, following our instruction, you get at least 4 in the AP, then no problem, okay? 4 or 5.
Okay.
To get 5, you need to be very, very careful because a lot of students eventually don't get 5 because this AP CSP is very, I would say, very risky. It's not hard, but when you go to the AP exam, the AP CSP reader sometimes very picky. Okay, so you need to closely follow the instruction. For Belinda, I
Okay.
think you are okay if you continue working hard like this. for Belinda, you will get a APCSA A5 should not be a difficult problem for you. Okay, so you should be okay. But if you want to do competitive programming, still not working hard enough. Okay, Belinda, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So competitive programming is still way above the APCSA. To get a 5 for APCSA, I think you are safe. You should be okay. You just follow the instruction, keep practicing. You should be able to get there. Okay. But competitive programming, in order to pass the silver, I think still a lot of effort. Okay, you still need to work hard. Okay, any questions so far?
No.
No. Okay. Good night then. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.